This is a tornado warning. A tornado warning remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northwestern Camden, northern Charlton, southern Brantley, and extreme eastern Ware counties. At 9:40 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists continued to track a tornado. This tornado was located near Race Pond, or 12 miles northwest of Folkestone, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Winnaker, Woodbine, Waverley, Tarboro, and Colesburg. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always, if in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for the following counties in Georgia: Brantley, Camden, Charlton, and Ware.